Over 100 billion single-use period products are discarded every year. Switching to reusable menstrual cups is 16 times more environmentally friendly and 98% cheaper. They're also key to the emerging market of testing menstrual blood at home for conditions like ovarian cancer, diabetes, infertility and cholesterol. The first ever smart cup is due for release later this year. However, only about 15% actually adopt reusables due to lack of product understanding and access to away-from-home cleaning facilities. So we turned to West College Scotland to help us address these issues, tapping into their expertise to create Bettii, the world's first menstrual cup cleaner and sanitiser plumbed into cubicles of away-from-home toilets. Fully automatic and hands-free, she washes in under 30 seconds using minimal water and power. We want to break down period taboos by making Bettii as common as a hand dryer. We'll challenge period poverty and encourage more people to move faster to green period products.
I'm Professor Naeem Ramzan. I'm a Director of Artificial Intelligence, Visual Communication and Network Institute at University of the West of Scotland. This project is a joint venture between UWS and Kibble.
Hello, I'm Dan Johnson. I'm the Clinical Director and a Forensic Psychologist at Kibble.
I'm Ben Tilbury. I'm a KTP Associate working with UWS and Kibble to develop systems for detecting self-harm, suicide and vital signs for the monitoring of the well-being and societal integration of highly vulnerable people.
I think this technology has got huge potential for hospitals, for schools, for residential services. It enables us to look at behaviour, to look at life signs, to look at immediate emergencies, all at a hands-off approach.
Hello, my name is Dr. Bethany Whiteside and I am Senior Lecturer and Doctoral Degrees Coordinator at the Royal Conservatoire of Scotland. I have enjoyed a long-standing research partnership with Scottish Ballet where we share and exchange our Dance for Health expertise. Working with the Elevate Dance for Multiple Sclerosis team from the outset, my experience in designing and undertaking Dance for Health research helped fill the gap between practice developing in the studio and the limited research literature. Scottish Ballet continued to evolve as an inherently research-focused organisation, and its work in Dance for Health is now being recognised nationally and internationally.